Did you ever wonder what is the true cost of fashion? It is hard to imagine a world without textiles and fabrics. We all come into contact with them all the time. This is especially true of clothing. Clothes provide comfort and protection, and for many represent an important form of self-expression. The textile and garment industry has contributed significantly towards the global economy, as it is valued over $1.7 trillion and employs more than 300 million people worldwide. Production of garments takes place mainly in Asia, accounting for over 50% of the world's supply of fibres and fabrics. This has contributed to the environmental impacts from fibre productions and garments manufacturing, such as water and energy use in the region. Most consumption, however, takes place in Europe and in other developed economies, with Asia rapidly closing the gap in consumption. In spite of the economic benefits, the fashion industry is extremely wasteful and polluting. The way our clothes are designed, produced and used is putting a great pressure on natural environments, its ecosystems and peoples. Large amounts of non-renewable resources are extracted to produce clothes and shoes that are often used for only a short time, after which the materials are mostly sent to landfills or incinerated. Hazardous substances affect the health of both textile workers, those wearing clothes, and natural ecosystems. When washed, some garments release plastic microfibers, of which around 500,000 tons every year adds to the already alarming ocean pollution. We need to rethink why and how we produce. We need to rethink what to buy and how to use. A socially and environmentally sustainable future for fashion has to go beyond models that rely on producing cheaper, faster, better products, without consideration for the real needs of consumers and the impact on the environment and natural resources. The COVID-19 pandemic has already exposed the vulnerability of manufacturers and factory workers in the fashion supply chain. Factories have closed either temporarily or indefinitely, and those that have reopened are often operating at reduced workforce capacity. However, the pandemic is a crisis that comes with opportunities to integrate garments' sustainability into policies and business models to achieve transformative change. There is an urgent need for a new fashion circular economy, one that produces and provides access to high-quality, durable and affordable clothing, runs on renewable energy and uses renewable resources, captures the full value of clothes during and after use, aligning clothing design and recycling processes, reflects the true cost of materials, both environmental and societal, regenerates natural systems and does not pollute the environment. The European Commission has committed to driving circular fashion and textiles through its newly announced Strategy for Textiles 2021 and the Circular Economy Action Plan 2020. Since 2007, the Switch Asia program has implemented 17 grant projects promoting the uptake of SCP in the textiles and garment sector in South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Asia and Central Asia. The program is also providing policy support to Cambodia on the development of its national roadmap on SCP, including ensuring waste reduction in the garment sector, and to Uzbekistan on the uptake of SCP tools and circular economy approaches in the textile sector. The role of policymakers is important in creating the proper environment for the business sector to foster innovative solutions. Technological innovation in the garment industry is crucial to shift materials to renewable fibres and fabrics, to introduce product design that facilitates longer use and reuse, and to promote efficient production processes that generate less energy, waste, and fewer emissions. Social innovation Related, for example, to how consumers interact and share clothing is also needed. Successful behavior change can only happen when sustainable and circular business models are in place and scaled up. Commitment, collaboration, and innovation across the value chain are required to transform the way clothes are designed, produced, sold, used, collected, and reprocessed. As a consumer, you too should play your part. Buy responsibly, choose consciously, make it last. Each one of us can make a difference. It is our common and shared responsibility.